Intel stock is trending up 8.32%. This is Wednesday, the 24th of September, 2025, post-market session. Let's see, we'll get to why it's trending. Yeah, you probably heard there's something going on with the company and Apple. Okay, so this is the 4 hour chart. It's saying that there might be a brief contraction of the expansion that has been in place since Monday, the 22nd. After that, we may have a bounce, at least up till Friday the 26th, the pre-market session. Projections are saying 31.80, 37.67, 41.1, 43.22. Price pressure momentums. Let's see what we have down here. Okay, both 10 and 21 period moving averages are robustly trending. However, there is a negative first derivative on the 10 period moving average, indicating that the stock has been facing some resistance. Profit taking has been going on, and short selling indeed has also been going on. Okay, yeah. So we have projections 31.80. The current price is 31.78. Okay, 31.80, 37.67, 41.1, 43.22. Let's quickly glance at the daily chart. Okay, strength is expected to remain in place up till Tuesday the 30th. Then after that, they may contract the expansion. What do we have here in terms of projections? No, nothing to the upside. It's a downward projection, 26.28. Price pressure momentums are all positive. However, the most of the derivatives between the 10 and 21 day moving averages are fractional, indicating yes that there's been a lot of selling and profit taking, but the underlying trends are the positions opened all the way towards the last 21 days, at least 21 days ago, are still very much in the profit. Okay, so let's see what's going on with Intel and Apple.
Intel INTC is trending as speculation heats up over a potential investment from Apple, AAPL, following a Bloomberg report that suggested the iPhone maker could play a role in Intel's turnaround efforts. The rumor has ignited community debates about whether such a move would mark a game changing partnership or yet another fleeting headline in the ongoing drama surrounding Intel's comeback attempts. Community buzz and speculation. Strategic collaboration. Bulls argued that Apple's involvement would not just be financial, it could pave the way for closer hardware and chip design collaboration, especially as Apple continues to expand its custom silicon strategy with M series chips, and Intel aims to rebuild its foundry business. AI infrastructure. With both companies emphasizing AI integration into future products, many traders see a potential Apple Intel link as a chance to align on AI ready chip making capacity within the US. Supply chain and security. A stake from Apple would also reinforce efforts to diversify supply chains away from Asia and bolster domestic chip manufacturing, aligning with ongoing US government initiatives under the CHIPS Act. Skepticism and caution. History of struggles. Some community members recall Apple's past reliance on Intel chips for Macs, a partnership that ended poorly when Apple transitioned to its own silicon. That history leaves skeptics doubtful that Apple would want to tie itself to Intel again. Rumor risk. Others warn that the chatter may be overblown or premature, noting no confirmation from either company. Skeptics argue the stock surge could simply be traders piling in on hype. competitive dynamics. There are also questions about how such a partnership would affect Intel's relationships with other major players, including NVIDIA, AMD, and TSMC. Market and sector context. The rumors come at a time when Intel is already in the spotlight due to U.S. government investments and subsidies, including a recently announced equity stake deal aimed at securing domestic chip capacity, renewed investor interest in AI and semiconductor plays, where Intel has been trying to reposition itself as a relevant force against dominant rivals, broader turnaround optimism, with traders looking for catalysts to justify accumulation at current levels. Bottom line, the idea of Apple investing in Intel has sparked excitement because it combines two of the biggest names in US tech and could signal a powerful strategic alignment in chips, AI, and manufacturing sovereignty. Optimists see this as a potentially transformative partnership, restoring credibility to Intel's turnaround story. Skeptics dismiss it as speculative noise, warning that past collaborations ended poorly and that Apple rarely takes equity stakes in suppliers. Either way, the chatter has amplified interest in Intel, putting it squarely at the intersection of big tech, government support, and AI driven semiconductor demand.
Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.